Hey y'all, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. This is Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant, and today we're going to talk about three popular pricing models for cleaning businesses. And let's get into it. Number one, price per square footage. Now, when you do that, it's best to do that with large commercial contracts, common for office buildings, warehouses, and retail spaces. Now, you can do your square footage based off the cents per square feet. Like, for example, you can do 8 cents per square feet up to 20 cents per square feet, depending on the level of service. Now, y'all gotta excuse me if my light keep going off. I get best service at my office, so I come here to record the video, but I don't know how to stop this light from going off. So you can base it off of cents per square footage, but if you have a bidding app of any kind, you don't have to do that yourself. It'll do it for you. Now, the pros is it's simple and it's easy to scale. Now, the cons are required accurate measurements and calculations. So sometimes, you might square footage alone doesn't help you do the scope of work. Let me just say it like that. So a con is, a pro is an hourly rate based on small offices or one-time jobs, or common for small offices and deep cleans or specialized services. So you can either go by the hourly rate, and for example, you can put in the per cleaner rate, as not that you're going to pay them this, but you can do from $30 to $60 per cleaner. There's different ways to get your pricing. And the pros is it's easy to track, covers unexpected tasks. Like for me, what I do is I pay by the hour and I pay by the rate. So hourly jobs that take multiple people, they're hourly. Now, if you're a solo cleaner and you have an account and it only take you an hour to clean, I pay $15 to $20 per hour. I'm not going to pay you $20 or $15 to go do that one site. So what I do is I pay 30 to go clean a site per hour because it only take 1 hour to do. So that's one way that you can make sure that your money is placed across the board. Like that's called flat rate pricing, where I'm sorry, flat rate wages. Now, flat rate pricing is best for reoccurring contracts and consistency. So, for example, you could have a 5,000 square foot office. It gets charged $1,500 per month. Now, the pro is clients like predictable pricing, builds long-term contracts, and I can say that's true. And the con is you must calculate your costs carefully to ensure profit. Now, how to calculate your pricing? Here's a step-by-step guide. Know your costs, meaning you need to know your supplies and equipment. Know your labor costs, your wages, the taxes, plus the insurance. Your overhead is your rent, your vehicles, and marketing. And then you could do some research. You could research your market. I've never done this, and check competitor rates in your area. I have my own rate. I don't compare. Consider the demand. Some industries will pay more. So you have to just know your client to know if they can afford your service the way that you should be paid. And then add your profit margin. Aim for 20 to 40% profit margin after covering your costs. Now, me, most times it's 30%. I do. So a pro tip is to maximize your profit, offer tier pricing. basic, standard, premium to increase your upsell. Charge more for specialized services like floor waxing, deep carpet cleaning. Just don't underprice. Clients often associate higher pricing with higher quality, and that's kind of how I feel, because I was in this class years ago where the instructor told me, Karen, you gotta start charging your worth. She said, you ain't down here no more, you up here, you gotta start charging your worth. And so I was scared at first because I thought I would lose my clients if I raised, charge more. Oh, not lose them, but wouldn't get more because of that. Because I'm gonna tell you, because at the beginning you start like you're doing favors for the clients so that you can secure the account. Don't do it. Don't do favors. You don't even know the people. They got a business. They want the service. They can afford to pay you. Just don't do it, because the mindset do be, and I'm gonna tell you from experience, the mindset bees that I'm gonna get them a little discount so I can get the account. And because you didn't really know how to look at the scope of work and stuff and how long it would take, you underbid it and don't even know it yet. So don't do no favors. Charge what you feel you're worth. Just don't do it, because I did that. You do that, and you be with and they end up being your long term clients. And here, years later, you still ain't charging them enough. So just charge your worth. That's all I want to say. So now that you know how to determine your pricing model, it's time to put it into action. Drop a comment below. How do you currently price your cleaning services? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video on growing your cleaning business. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. And one other thing I want to mention. I developed the ebook, a bidding ebook. It's not launched yet, so you guys can have a blueprint on how to do the bidding. So I see you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.